How to delete account history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete account histories on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're unaware, then Instagram basically keeps a track of your account history. Whenever you open Instagram, come to your profile page, tap the three lines option, then just go to your activity here. When you're under your activity, here you'll find account history option, where Instagram is going to keep a track of all of the activities that you've made, such as your bio, when you last updated my account from public to private or as such. And in this case, if you want to delete your account history, unfortunately Instagram does not offer you a way to do so. This is like a permanent data that Instagram keeps activities of your account, so that next time whenever you face any sort of issues, you can simply come back to this tab and then check your account history. The only way to get rid of your account history is that if this account isn't really that important to you, you can simply try to go on and delete it. Other than that, there is no other way to delete or get rid of your account history. Hope this video helped you understand a question as to how to delete your account history on Instagram. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.